A pleasant welcome to one and all. Now we are going to study about the topic Snagit. Video lecture and e-content created by author R.D. Sivakumar, MSc MPhil MTech, Assistant Professor of Computer Science and Assistant Professor and Head Department of MCom CA, Ayanada Janaki Ammal College, Sivagasi. Mobile 09944042243. Email sivamsccasit@gmail.com. Website www.rdsivakumar.blogspot.in. Co-author K. Sivagami, BCom CA, student of MCom CA, Ayanada Janaki Ammal College, Sivagasi. Snagit. Snagit is the premier application to use for our entire screen capturing needs. Whatever we see on our screen, Snagit easily capturing it for our immediate use. Main capture interface of Snagit. Profiles. Profiles are a fast and powerful way to configure what we want to capture. All of the settings we see in the profile settings can make up one profile. Quick Launch gives access to the Snagit editor and Snagit catalog browser. Related task provides easy access to the following tasks: convert images, turn on one click, set up Snagit printer, organize profiles and Snagit accessories. Profile settings are updated when a profile is selected. In the profile pane, we can customize a capture by making changes to the settings before taking a capture. The capture button performs the capture. We can also use the default global hotkey print screen to start screen capturing. Capturing profiles. Snagit profiles are a very important part of Snagit profiles. Allow us to quickly take a capture using a set of predefined capture instructions which include the capture mode, input and output settings, filters and more. The profiles can be found within the profiles pane on Snagit's main interface. Types of profiles. The capturing profiles are divided into two types: basic capture profile, other capture profile. Basic capture profile. The basic capture profile allow you to perform very common or the most used captures. All basic capture have no output set and the capture preview window option turned on. Once your capture is in the capture preview windows, you can select your output. Snagit region. Capture a rectangular selected region of the screen. Window. Capture a window on the desktop. Full screen. Capture the entire desktop. Scrolling window. Capture a scrolling windows on the desktop. Enable auto scroll. Web page. Capture a scrolling windows on the desktop. Enable auto scroll. Enable the keep lines options. Other capture profile. The other capture profiles allow you to perform captures that are more specific in their use. These are somewhat less common than the basic captures. Scrolling window to PDF. Capture a scrolling window on the desktop. Menu with time delay. Capture a cascading menu. A 5-second time delay is on to allow capture setup. Include the cursor in the capture. Object. Capture an object on the desktop. Images from the web page. Capture all images from a website. Prompt for the desired URL. Output to the catalog browser for easy viewing. Text from window. Capture text from a window. Record screen video. Make a recording of a rectangular region on the screen. Include the cursor in the capture. Have Snagit auto configure the video capturing settings. Capture modes. Capture modes are general categories of the different type of capture that we can take using Snagit. There are 5 different modes. The following table gives a brief overview of capture modes. Image capture. Capture an image of screen or any portion of it. Text capture. Capture the text we see on the screen as editable. Video capture. record on screen activity on our Windows desktop. Web capture. Capture all the images from a website. Printer capture. Capture anything we would normally send to a printer and send it to an image file instead. Thank you.